C-clip snap ring. Your best friend for this job. Right tool for the job. Ooh, that one just, ooh, there she goes. Wow. Excited. External snap ring plier. Boot. 2 screws. And the hub housing assembly body. Over, terrifying every time. Wiggle, 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 pull. Ooh, she's out. Look at that. Put it away. Axle nut in there, we don't gotta touch it. I already did my wheel bearings last week. Put her in, give her a wiggle, catch the splines on the inside, give her a wiggle, and a little twiggle, catch the splines on the outside. C-clip. Circlip. Heard it set. Give her a spin, he spins freely. And it's set all the way around. Ooh, it sounded like he's seated, or she, who am I to spin it around. It's in the groove. Take the new one, line up the 3 nubs here, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. They have a little slot in the aluminum housing. Oh, first, little grease on that O-ring. Oh yeah, that way it doesn't catch anything, get nicked. Smooth insertion of the cap. Push. Alright, that's awesome. Ooh, never has it been that